This video is independent training created by TripleTron and me, Marcus Miller. It is not official LeadsLeap training, and TripleTron is not owned, operated, or endorsed by LeadsLeap. Some links shared in this training may be affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you choose to join or upgrade through them at no extra cost to you. This training is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed. Your results depend on your own effort, consistency, marketing activity, follow-up traffic, and business decisions. Hello, and welcome to day 29 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass 30-day launch sprint. Today, we are preparing your final 30-day review. Tomorrow is day 30, and that means we are almost at the end of this launch sprint. But before we close it out, we need to look back at what you have built. Because the goal of this training was never just to watch videos. The goal was to build a foundation, a real foundation, a system you can continue using after the 30 days are complete. Over the past few weeks, you have been learning how to connect your tools, write follow-up emails, create ad messages, send traffic, read stats, improve your pages, and build a simple content routine. That is a lot of progress, but if you do not review it, you may miss what you actually learned. You may also miss what needs to be improved next. That is why day 29 matters. Today is not about adding something complicated. Today is about reviewing the system you have started building. You want to ask, what did I set up? What did I learn? What did I actually complete? What still needs work? What should I improve after day 30? That review will help you move forward with clarity. Now, let's break your review into 5 simple areas. Number 1, your setup. Ask yourself, did I create or connect my LeadsLeap account? Did I save my LeadsLeap username inside TripleTron? Did I confirm my referral link is correct? Did I test my capture page or promotional page? Did I connect my follow-up system? This is your foundation. If your setup is incomplete, do not feel bad. Just write down what still needs to be finished. The goal is clarity. You cannot fix what you have not identified. Number 2, your follow-up. Ask yourself, did I create my first welcome email? Did I write more than one follow-up message? Did I review my subject lines? Did I add one clear call to action? Did I make the email sound personal and helpful? Did I remove hype, pressure, and false claims? Your follow-up is important because it keeps the conversation going after someone joins your list. If you only have one email, your next goal may be to build a short 5-message sequence. If you already have several emails, your next goal may be to improve them. Either way, write it down. Number 3, your traffic path. Ask yourself, did I choose one main link? Did I test that link? Did I choose one main traffic destination? Did I create a simple ad message? Did I start a traffic routine? Did I use or explore LeadsLeap traffic tools? This matters because traffic needs direction. You do not want random promotion. You want a simple path. Ad message, capture page, lead, follow-up, next step. If any part of that path is unclear, that is where you can improve. Number 4, your stats and improvement. Ask yourself, did I check my traffic stats? Did I look at clicks? Did I look at leads? Did I review email opens or clicks if available? Did I improve one ad message? Did I improve one capture page element? Did I improve one follow-up email? Stats help you stop guessing. If you are not getting clicks, improve the ad. If you are getting clicks but no leads, improve the capture page. If you are getting leads but no email activity, improve the follow-up. That is how you build smarter. Number 5, your content routine. Ask yourself, did I create one content post? Did I create 7 content ideas? Did I choose where I will post? Did I connect my content to my main message? Did I avoid hype and keep the content helpful? Content helps people understand your message before they click. It also gives you a reason to show up consistently. If you have not started posting yet, that is okay. Your next step may be to publish your first post. Now, here is something important. Your review should not be emotional. Do not use it to beat yourself up. Do not say, I should have done more. I am behind. I failed. That is not the purpose. The purpose is to see the truth and move forward. A good review simply says, this is what I completed. This is what I learned. This is what needs work. This is what I will improve next. That is it. Simple, clear, useful. Now let's talk about your final 30-day review sheet. You can write this in a notebook, a document, or even a simple note on your phone. Create these sections. Completed, still needs work. Biggest lesson learned, best results so far, biggest weak spot. Next 7-day action plan. That gives you a clear picture. Under completed, write down everything you finished. Maybe you connected your username. Maybe you wrote your first email. Maybe you created your first ad. Maybe you published your first content post. Do not ignore small wins. Small wins matter. Under still needs work, be honest. Maybe your follow-up sequence is not complete. Maybe your capture page needs improvement. Maybe you have not started promoting consistently. Maybe your links need another test. That is okay. The point is to identify it. Under biggest lesson learned, write one thing this training helped you understand. Maybe you learned that traffic without follow-up is weak. Maybe you learned that subject lines matter. Maybe you learned that one clear call to action is better than 5 links. Maybe you learned that consistency builds confidence. Write it down. Under best results so far, write something positive. Maybe you got your first leads. Maybe you got clicks. Maybe you finally connected your system. Maybe you created a routine. Maybe you simply understand the process better than before. Progress is progress. Under biggest weak spot, choose one area that needs the most attention. Only one. Do not list 10 things and overwhelm yourself. Pick the biggest one. Maybe it is traffic. Maybe it is follow-up. Maybe it is content. Maybe it is testing. Maybe it is consistency. Then under next 7-day action plan, write what you will do next week. For example, day 1, test all links again. Day 2, improve capture page headline. Day 3, write follow-up email number 2. Day 4, promote main link. Day 5, check stats. Day 6, create one content post. Day 7, review results. That is a simple plan, and simple plans are easier to follow. Now let's connect this to TripleTron and LeadsLeap. TripleTron gives you the training path. LeadsLeap gives you tools for list building, traffic tracking, and follow-up. But your review helps you see how well you are using those tools. The tools are not the whole answer. Your activity matters. Your consistency matters. Your decisions matter. Your improvement matters. That is why reviewing your first 30 days is so powerful. It helps you move from learning into building. Now, tomorrow is day 30. That will be the final lesson of this launch sprint. But it should not feel like the end. It should feel like the beginning of your next level. The first 30 days help you build the foundation. The next 30 days help you strengthen it. The next 90 days help you turn it into a real routine. That is the mindset. You are not just completing training. You are becoming more organized, more consistent, more confident, more prepared, and better equipped to build your marketing system. Today's action step is simple. Prepare your final 30-day review. Write down what you completed, what still needs work, your biggest lesson learned, your best results so far, your biggest weak spot, and your next 7-day action plan. Do this before day 30. That way, when we finish the sprint tomorrow, you will already know what your next move is. That is day 29 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass. Today you learned how to prepare your final 30-day review so you can move forward with clarity instead of guessing. In the next lesson, we are going to close out the 30-day launch sprint and talk about your next 30 days of growth. Subscribe to the channel, complete today's action step, and I will see you on the final sprint training, day 30.